How to sell digital downloads on Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be telling you on how you can sell digital downloads in Shopify in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to want to be doing is you are going to go ahead straight to your Shopify, okay? Now in your Shopify, what you're going to do is you're going to log in. Now, once you log in, it's going to take you through your whole, customer portal where it's going to ask you to log in with your basic details. So if you don't have an account, just sign in with an email. It's pretty basic. It's pretty easy. And trust me, you are going to want to use a software like Shopify for your digital product marketing, okay? Because this works like an absolute piece of cake and it's going to help you in the long run by a long shot. So once you go in with your email, you're going to click on Create Store. And once you click on Create Store, you're going to scour through all the settings that it gives you. And once you have scoured through those, what's going to happen from there is I'm just going to skip all of this for now. You're going to choose the business location, which is pretty important. Okay, so make sure to go with the proper one. We don't want to go with anything wrong over here. And once you've gone with that, again, choose the same email address. And once you do that, as you can see, you're going to head straight into this section. And it's going to be really easy to do so. And so let's just wait for it to quickly load in. And once we obviously get straight into it, what moreover we are going to be doing is we're going to be talking about the different products that we're going to be digitalizing, the different products that we're going to be working around on. Now, here we are, everything fully loaded up, everything set to go, everything good to go. Now, your products appear over here. Okay, this is where you can get all your products. This is where you can add your products, transfer products, get gift cards, sell products by bargain. And, there's going to be different additional steps on how you're going to, set all these things up. So let's talk about how you're going to create a digital product for yourself, right? So to create a digital product, you're going to click on Add Product like this. Once you click on Add Product, you're going to go into its title. And let's say I'm going to go with the demo ebook. Okay. And then you're going to add, whatever its description is, etc., etc. And once you add its description, you're obviously going to upload its media, okay? So basically what its media is, you're going to upload its cover, let people know what it looks like from the outside, let people know what the cover is of this book. So let's say my book is about, making money. So I'm going to upload its cover real quick. So once you upload the cover, then you're going to go into your pricings and all, okay? So obviously set a good strong pricing. Let's say I'm going to go with that. Then you have your compare price. So you can set that up as well. Then you obviously have inventory where you can track quantity. And in most cases, being a digital product, inventory really isn't an issue. So most of the time, you're going to go with do not track quantity. Okay, we do not need this setting for ourselves. Now, once you do that, then you can also set an SKU or a barcode. So, whatever the SKU is, you can set that up. And then, if it has a barcode, add that in. And then it says shipping. If it isn't a physical product, you're going to turn that off. And obviously, it's not a physical product. So I'm going to turn that off. And here it says, customers won't enter shipping details. And, now you can just enter the digital stuff or the digital details in it. So here's our cover. There's our pricing. We've added our barcode and all. You can also add different variations for yourself if you want to. And that totally depends on the type of work you're ready to put in, the type of store you're ready to stand for yourself. Then you're going to add some, tags like let's say ebook. So I'm going to add ebook over here. Then once you've added your tag, then you have different categories, okay? You can choose different product types. You can add in vendors. And once you've done all of that, click on save. And once you click on save, it's going to bring you to this section, okay? So I'm going to back out of this real quick. And you can actually view this product in your store, okay? It's going to tell people to either buy it now or add it to their cart. So if I click on preview, we're going to go ahead and be like, add to cart, or buy it now, okay? So what if we don't want that? We want digital downloads, right? So for digital downloads, what are we going to do? What we're going to do is we're going to click on add apps, okay? And once you click on add apps, you're going to click on Shopify App Store. And once you click on Shopify App Store, it's going to take you into this loading section. And once you go into this loading section, you are going to type in digital downloads, okay, right there. So we're going to open that up real quick. And once you open that up, it's going to give you all these applications for digital downloads, okay? And what you're going to want to do is get any one of these. Okay. Most of these work pretty well, but I would go with this one, this FileMonk one, because this was specifically built for digital downloads on Shopify. So I'm going to click on install for this one. And as we install this, it's going to redirect us to this section where we're going to interconnect Shopify with FileMonk. So I'm simply going to click on install app. And once you click on install app, what you're going to want to do from there is you're going to wait for things to load in. So FileMonk is basically going to quickly add the necessary details or add the necessary things that your store currently has. So as you can see, it's going to load all these things over here. Okay. So what does it say? It says, welcome to FileMonk. With FileMonk, selling any kind of digital product is absolute ease. Okay. So that's something obviously we already know, but you're simply going to click on get started and get straight into FileMonk's main shop. Okay. Now that we're over here, we're going to go with a free plan. Okay. You can go with upper plans if you want to. That totally depends on you, but we can stay with this if you want to do that. Now over here, it's going to say, you need to upload a file. So I'm going to click on upload a file. And once you do that, you can either upload files from your shelf or create file from link. So I'm going to click on upload files. Okay. And once you click on upload files, you're going to go and choose the PDF files that you're going to want to go ahead with. Okay. So let's say this is the PDF file. I'm going to upload it right here. And once we upload it, from there, you are going to correlate it with your store. You're going to link it with your store, and everything is going to be good to go. Everything is going to be set, and we have our digital product now. So you're going to take the link off of this digital product. Okay, so here's the digital product right here. So you can simply go ahead and click on edit, and you can link this file to your product. So here's my demo ebook. I'm going to click on select, and once this is done, our products are linked, and now if anyone buys my demo ebook, they are going to get this digital download. So that's pretty much about it for this video. So if you enjoyed watching, drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.